Hi, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to receive
Today,
content.
we are going to uncover the secret of two common ingredients in your kitchen, garlic and onion. Did you know that these two ingredients can transform your health if used in the right way? In this video, we will show you how to make homemade garlic and onion powder and the amazing benefits it has for your health. Let's start with garlic. Garlic is known for its amazing health benefits. It has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve your immune system. Now, let's talk about onion. Onion is also a powerhouse of nutrients. It contains a compound called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Onion can help prevent heart disease, reduce the risk of cancer, and improve your digestion. So, how can we use garlic and onion in our daily diet? One way is to make homemade garlic and onion powder. It's easy to make and can be stored for a long time. To make garlic powder, simply peel and chop garlic cloves and dry them in the oven. Once they are dry, grind them into a fine powder. To make onion powder, peel and chop onions and dry them in the oven. Once they are dry, grind them into a fine powder. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using homemade garlic and onion powder. Firstly, it's a great way to add flavor to your dishes without using salt or sugar. Secondly, it's a great way to get the health benefits of garlic and onion in a concentrated form. And finally, it's a cost-effective way to use these ingredients. So, there you have it, the secret to transforming your health with homemade garlic and onion powder. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to try making your own garlic and onion powder at home. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out our previous videos for more tips and tricks to improve your health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.